Okay, hi guys, welcome back to Singapore Math Tutors. So today I'm going to go through a slightly more challenging question on LCM and HCF. So this question is, so if the lowest common multiple of the two numbers is 120 and their highest common factor is 4, find the possible values of the two numbers. So highest common factor is 4 means that the number x, for example, has the factor 4. So I'll just write maybe 2 square 4, and then y is equals to 2 square. Okay, they have to have this factor and then multiply by whatever, and then they have to have their lowest common multiple must be 120. Okay, so let's just maybe do a prime factorization on 120 to see the breakdown. Okay, so 2 times 60, and then again we break it down to 2 times 6 times 10, and then we can further break it down to 2 times 3, and then break it down even further to 2 times 5. So why are we doing this? Because we want to see, so say x, the multiple is 120, so x has a multiple of 120, right? And then y obviously also has a common multiple 120, right? So we break it down to see what is the components, the factors, okay, of x and y. So now we can see that it's 2 cube, or maybe let me just put 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So now we know that there are other factors in x and y, okay, in either x and y, 2, 3, and 5, for instance. So so both number, okay, must have the common factor 2 times 2, which is 4, okay, but okay, the other numbers must but 2, 3, and 5, okay, these other prime numbers can only exist in either one of them. Okay, so say for example, if x is 2 times 2, right, 4, y obviously, okay, 2 times 2, okay, so this is x and y has highest common factor 4 now, right? But then you want to make it such that their lowest common multiple is 120. So what do? So you must add in the last bit, 2 times 3 times 5, such that this is 120. So 120 is one of the multiple, 240, and then it goes on, right? So this is definitely the lowest common multiple because x is 4. So 4, 8, 120. So their common multiple is 120 and 120 here. Okay, so this is the first set of numbers, but then they're asking you to find the possible values of the two numbers. So there are other sets of x. So if say I let x is to be 2 times 2 times 2, and that will be 8. Okay, y has to be a number such that the highest common factor is 4, so it can only have 2 times 2 and the remaining 3 and 5. Okay, so it will be 4 times 15, 60. Okay, then the next one, if x is equals to, say, 2 times 2 times 3, okay, so before that I had an extra 2, now I have an extra 3 here, so it's 12, right? Then y, okay, y has to have the factor 4, So 2 times 2 is definitely a must. Okay. I can't put 3 in. If not, it will be 12. Then both of them will have a common factor. Highest common factor will be 12. So it's not possible to put 3 in. So I can only add 2 and 5 in. Okay, so there's 2 and 5. So which gives us 40. Okay. And then the next last one, okay, x is equals to 2 times 2, so that the highest common factor is 4. Then multiply by 5, right? Because we want 2, 3, and 5 here. So it's equals to 20. And then y. Okay, so we 2 and 2. Okay, so that the highest common factor is 4. Okay, we can't multiply by 5. If not, the highest common factor will be 20. Okay, so what we have left is just it's just 2 times 3. Okay, so this will give us 8 times 3 is 24. So all these are the sets of numbers for the answer. Okay, 8 and 60. Okay, 12 and 40. 20 and 24. 4 and 120. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye.